Everybody, I'm back again with another cooking video. I'm so excited to be back today. Today, you guys, I have zucchini and I have yellow squash that I've combined together in my pan already. I've already cut it up. And now I'm going to get ready to cut my onions. And I always slice my onions like this, round way. Just slice them down. That's how I do mine. And I just get a little pieces and just, put it all in the pan, over the pan. I like onions. I like a lot of onions in mine. Yeah, I like a lot of onions. Okay, I'm going to cut one more. That's just how much I love onions. And put it in there. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little sea salt. See, a little sea salt. There. Alright. I'm going to put a little sea salt in here. Alright. I'm going to also add a little black pepper. It's a little black pepper. I don't want too much black pepper, but I do want to, see it. Alrighty. How many of you all like zucchini or like squash? Is that one of your favorite meals? Well, I like it, so I'm going to add a little garlic powder in here. I love garlic powder in all of my dishes. I'm going to also add a little, what I have in this bowl right here is sugar. I'll add a little sugar to blend it out. You don't want too much sugar, but you want enough in there to take that, that taste away. Okay, I also have, I have a stick of butter. And I'm going to cut it up and put it in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn my fire on. Go ahead and turn that on so that can get ready. And today, guys, I have some chicken strips that I'm going to saute on the stove. And so what you want to do, you just want to lay your butter in there in the pan. You don't put water in here because zucchini and the squash makes its own water. So you don't have to put water in here. Yeah, just put your little butter in there. Not to have too much butter. About 2 tablespoonfuls of butter in there. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the top on it. And that's all you put in there. You don't have to put anything else. I'm going to put the top on it and I'm going to let it go ahead on and cook down. So right now, I got my pan getting ready. I'm going to put a little oil in here. I'm going to put just a little oil. Just a little bit. A little bit of oil in my pan. I'm going to be placing my chicken in here, and I'm going to season my chicken when I place it in the pan. So I want that to get a little hot, a little steam up. Yeah. Let that cook down. So you guys, what are you all cooking today? Y'all got something hearty to cook or something simple to cook? Sometime when I'm, don't feel like cooking, I'll make me some tuna. And I'll put a little grapes in it and some nuts in it. And I'm good to go. Or I'll make some chicken salad, which is always good. I like to go to Sam's and get the rotisserie chicken and make my chicken sandwich out of that. Chicken salad out of that, and that is so good to me. That is so good. So, so look at this. I think my pan is getting heated up a little bit. Actually, the sun came out a little bit today. Yeah, the sun came out a little bit today. So I'm going to place my chicken in the pan. And I'm going to let that saute. I'm going to season it now. Oh, guys, I almost forgot. I forgot to put this right here, the vegetable seasoning. That's good. I like this. I put this on everything I eat. It's so good. I even put it on my potatoes because it's salt free. You turn this down. Don't want that to cook too fast because it's salt free, and so I use this a lot. So I'm gonna put some garlic powder on my chicken. You know, you want to season it well. Yeah. And put a little black pepper. Alrighty. I'm going to get some seasoning salt. Yeah, I'm going to put a little seasoning salt. A little slap your mama. But you better not slap your mama. Yeah. So I put that back in there and let that cook down. So I put a little seasoning on my chicken. Yes. I'm going to flip it and season this side. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. That's going to be good. All right. Let me put a little sea salt on here. Just a little bit. A little black pepper. All right. And a little slap your mama. See? Slap your mama. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to let this cook. Let this cook down. I'm going to squeeze some lemon over it. Yes, I'm going to squeeze some lemon over it. Now make sure your pan is not up too high. You cook this on a low setting. So it's looking good already. Put this on a low setting. And like I said, it makes its own juices. I'm gonna squeeze some of this lemon over the chicken. Yeah. Sorry, y'all. Just a little bit. Now that's enough. And we just let this cook until it actually get done. That's what you do. I'll put a little of my vegetable seasoning on here. I told you I use it on everything. I use it on everything. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I just wanted to stop by and just share with you how I cook my zucchini and squash. Don't forget to like and share this video. Hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Got a lot of more cooking videos that I want to do. So now you see how it looks. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. So I will continue to let that cook on down, and I'm going to finish my meat off camera. But I wanted to stop by and show my supporters, you know, a little something I do. So in that being said, always remember to share love. Always remember to spread love. Whatever you do it every day and in every way. Bye, guys.